So this is the instruction video for synthesizing MOF, and this is the most exemplar MOF called MOF 5. And this is the oven to synthesize MOFs. This instrument is from a company named Yamato, which is called DKN302. And this oven is widely used in synthesis labs because it's quite precise in terms of temperature, and the program setting is quite easy. So we'll start this video is mainly about how to set program to synthesize MOFs. So we'll start now. So MOFs are usually synthesized in 3 steps. The first step is inclining the temperature, and the second step is maintaining the temperature to let MOF synthesized, and the final step is declining the temperature. And this set helps you to set those kind of programs. And I'll show you an example of setting a new program. So in this device, there are 3 kinds of programs that you could set. For example, program 3, program 1, program 2. The numbers does not mean anything, so you could just like arbitrarily choose which program to set. For example, I'll set program 3 now. So this dial shows that this program 3, and you put enter. And this number means the step, which I said like 3 steps are required to synthesize MOFs. So this is accepted, so you just put enter. And the next number is the target temperature, like the final temperature that would be maintained. And for example, in here, like this means like 120 degrees would be maintained. And the next dial comes out is the time to get to that target temperature. So in here it says 6, which means like 6 hours are like the temperature will reach to 120 degrees, like divided in 6 hours. And next step is the maintaining temperature session, and like as I said, like the target temperature is 120 degrees. And next, this is the number of hours that will stay in the temperature. So in here, like it says 48 hours. So if you set like this, 48 hours of 120 degrees would be maintained. And if you want to change the time, you could like push up button or the down button and like change the hour. So in here, like it's 48. Let's say like we want to maintain 120 degrees for 60 hours. And I'll show you how that could be able. So you have to push this like continuously to make it like move faster. You could see the number is getting higher. Yep. And once you reach to 60, this means like 120 degrees would be maintained for 60 hours, and you put enter. And this is the decline target temperature. It says 35. So starting from 120 degrees, the temperature will decline like slowly and reach to 35 degrees Celsius. You put enter, and like this is the time that temperature declines, which is 6 hours in here. And if you want to make 35 degrees Celsius more slower, you can increase the time to reach it. And if you want to make it shorter, you can push down button to make the time shorter. For example, if you want to decline temperature divided in 5 hours and 30 minutes, you set like this and you put enter. And this is the end of the program. And if you want to start the program, you now push the start button. Yep. And you have to check if the programs are well set. So these are the dials that you have set. Yep. And this is it. How could you check if the program is going on? So you check the heater line and you see like the red spot coming out. If the red spot starts to blink, it means that the program is going on. So it was 30 degrees Celsius at the start. You could see the temperature is actually getting inclined. So you could check by 2 ways. Like you stay here and see if the temperature is actually inclining, or you could check the heater and see if the red dot is like blinking.